Hi guys, welcome to Naresh IT Technologies. This is Subbaraju. We'll see another video session on HTML table tag. Generally we are using table tag to display the data in perfect tabular format. Table tag is very useful to align the data or to align any kind of image, graphics, any kind. Perfect alignment we required means commonly we are using table tag. And tables are used to represent our data in tabular format, as I said already. The best way to split a page into different sections using tables. It is a paid tag syntax. And just outline I am showing to you. Table open, table close, the paid tags. Horizontal lines which are present in the table is called table rows. Generally in table tag we are writing TR. Using TR tag we are displaying table rows. To represent table rows inside the table tag, TR we are using. It is a paid tag. And outlines usage I provided very simple. Table open, table close, inside table row. And this table row inside again I want to write, that is table data we are calling. Here specially columns not available. And that is table data is nothing but cells. These cells are represented by TD. TD also a paid tag. It is representing table data. So table data syntax TD open, TD close. And when we are observing outlines of that example, simply outline I provided. Table tag information level, table, TR, TD, like this, hierarchy available. That hierarchy, one example I will develop and I will show you first. So you will get one perfect idea on that. So first I am writing table tag. Table tag inside. Body tag inside I am implementing. And table open, table close, TR, TR inside TD, and TD again. The same table row and table data I am going to copy paste here. And table data, EMP ID, EMP name, ID I am providing 1001, Naresh Technologies, ID 1002, providing my name. And I didn't use any kind of attributes here. Just a plain table I want to show you on the web page. Refresh. Employee ID, employee name, and the related rows available. Once you are coming back, what are the attributes we need to apply? TR I said already, TD I said. But there is no difference between data and heading. All are looking like same. You want to make sure separate that TH, table heading we are using. TH, table heading. Again here also TH, table heading. Save it and refresh, you can see the difference. So that is heading, this is data. Now table heading also completed. I required a title. We are using title purpose caption. I am giving employee details. Title I am providing. Caption I am closing. And refresh on the web page. Perfectly coming on the top of that. Any web browser. But table is not visible here because you didn't apply any kind of attribute on your table. What are attributes available? First we'll observe list of attributes related to table tag. There is a big list of attributes existed here. One by one all the attributes we can observe. These many attributes are waiting to do practically on the web pages. Border, pixels, border color, any color name or color code. BG color, any color or color code. Background, image path, height, pixels or percentage, width, pixels or percentage, Align left, right, center. V align, vertical align, top, middle, bottom. Rules, rows, columns, none and all. By default is none. Cell spacing, cell padding. Row span, call span. So these all attributes will cover in this video session. Every example will understand very clearly on table tag. So right now I am implementing border. Come back to our source code, open the border, table tag level, just write border is equal to 1 pixel thickness. Come back and refresh. Perfect. Observe correctly the table. It is not perfect table. In HTML, table means not a collection of rows and columns, collection of cells. Now cells available all are. Those cells perfectly aligned. That is the reason these are looks like rows and columns. But if you are observing correctly, no row, no column. Can we display rows and columns? Definitely. Using rules attribute we can display. Now border 1 pixel completed. And you can observe the title also. Perfectly title center available, table center. For example, center perfectly available or not, other browser also we can see. Is Firefox. Now I am coming back. The same caption means title. Cut it and I am taking to bottom of the table. Refresh, save it and refresh. Not changed. Another browser. Not changed. By default, table caption displays on top of the table. Always you need to remember the point. You write inside the source code, caption in bottom or top. It displays always on top. That is caption duty. Now, once caption we completed, now remaining border already we did. Next one, border color. Border color is equal to hash ff0000 and available. Now I want to refresh that border color perfectly. Whatever the color I applied, clearly visible to you. Now next one is BG color is equal to color name also you can write directly. Yes, save it and refresh. And I want to display one image background, that is background is equal to the image path I am providing. Any image path you can provide. Chrome.png I said. Come back and refresh. Small images means better. If big image you provide, image may be visibility available, completely not visibility available. That time you can apply width and height attributes. So if you are applying width and height attributes, it will be. Now I am giving width is equal to 150 pixels. Right, refresh on the web page. And again height I want. Height is equal to 100 pixels. And height I am providing 100 pixels. Save it. So image also now you can change. As for example HTML5.png. Refresh. But a complete image is not visible backside, observe. Maybe that is not transparent, that is the reason upper one also disturbing. But in the real time industry, those images we are developing as per our compatible. No issue, first the image coming or not, you can check it. Now this is whatever you provided the path, this is the global path. As I said in the earlier video session 2, I made local path, file path, web related paths also we can apply. So this is completely related to background. Now background, width, height. Next we need to work on align, v-align. Align horizontally, v-align vertically. Rules. I said in HTML table, table means not rows and columns here, collection of cells. You want to see rows and columns, use rules attribute. First we'll finish off, then I'll come back to align and v-align. So rules attribute, using rules attribute we can able to display perfect table. Rules supporting 4 parameters, 1 rows, second calls, third all, fourth none. Practically we can observe that remove all attributes, right, refresh on the web page, that is, and whatever border available, border also I am removing, direct only skeleton, table skeleton available, yes, perfect. Now other browser also readily available, yes, perfect. Both are perfectly executed. Now I am coming to source code. I said rules equal to rows, save it, refresh, rules equal to rows, and refresh here also, rules equal to rows. Now rules equal to calls and refresh, again columns, refresh, rules is equal to calls available as well as rules is equal to rows available, only columns visible, column type, rows time, only rows visible. Now come back to, now already caption related information completed, and now refresh, perfect visibility is there. Now rules all means rows and columns, come back to table tag, say all. Now rows visible as well as columns visible. Now border is not there because border we didn't mention anything. Now I am writing border attribute. Border is equal to, in the table tag level, border is equal to 1 pixel, save it and refresh, perfect table visible to you. It is a real table. So when you are implementing rules attribute, we can apply perfect rows as well as columns. Now after rules attribute, we can observe cell spacing, cell padding. After that align, v-align we can see. What is cell spacing? It always representing distance between cells. For example, rules I am removing here, perfect understanding purpose. Once again I add, just a minute I am removing. Coming to browser, execute. So as our group of cells came. Now cell to cell between space is very less available. I want to increase the space. Now that time I am writing cell spacing is equal to, I am saying 10 pixels. Come and refresh here, cell spacing. So whenever cell spacing available here 10 pixels, by default 1 to 2 pixels. Come back and I said 20 pixels. Now inside the data very close to my margin. Now I need some more space, that is called cell padding. Cell padding means the distance between existing text and the edge of the cell is called cell padding. This is padding, whatever the gap you are observing here. I need more gap, then come back and run that cell padding is equal to 10 pixels I made. Save it, run it. Observe now cell padding. Distance between text and the edge of the cell is called cell padding. So cell padding succeeded, cell spacing also succeeded. Now I am going to remaining 4 attributes. Align horizontally, v-align vertically, row span working on columns, call span working on rows. First we will observe call span because it is working on rows. What is call span? Definition wise we will observe the call span once, and call span related information also I am showing. Call span, row span. These two features allows you to extend columns and rows across multiple other columns and rows. Call span, it extends cells horizontal, as I said already, rows wise, and call span is equal to number we are providing. Right, now the same call span I am implementing on my example. Right, remove whatever cell spacing, cell padding available. Already we are very clear regarding that. I am refreshing my web page. Clear. Now concentrate on call span, row span. Now I am doing here call span. Come down and Naresh Technologies only I want to visible completely. Remove that and I am applying how many available here, columns, call span equal to 2 available. Yes, perfect. And if you are running, how it is merging, observe. By default, alignment is left side. For example, you need align center, align attribute we are using here, center, refresh, Naresh Technologies. Now you added another column, for example, TH I am going to copy paste here, I am saying salary. Salary column is set, same, here also we required another one, user having salary, TD and Naresh Technologies having and $10,000 I made TD data. Same TD data I required KS Raju also. For example, I am doing here $6,000. Now once you refresh that, observe you only. Those two, whatever one column extra added, those two cells available, but it is adjusted here only. It is not reflected that. You need to reflect that one also, and you can use here 3 and remove this. Then it is adjusting that. So this is call span, working on rows. Here align attribute suitable. Now you want to align Naresh Technologies right side. Yes, you can go there and say simply right, RIGHT. Now refresh. So I am coming to now next one, row span. Row span always working on columns, same like this. Come down, row span. It extends cells on a vertical row. Here V align working. It is also row span is equal to working on number. Now simply without modifying my previous one, this one all I am taking directly I am going to copy paste because no need to modify whatever available. No formalities, directly body section, body inside I am going to paste that. Right table tag available here and border I required 1 pixel enough for me. By default pixel if you didn't write also, no border, nothing border color, all are doesn't required for me. Just direct refresh. Yes on that one. Columns. Now it is a center available. By default align is left available. By default V align center available. I required for example top. So then I am writing V align. V align is equal to top. Save it and refresh it. So these many attributes I shown to you on your table tag. Once again, what are the list of the attributes we observed from starting onwards? Let me recall one by one these attributes. Border, pixels, border color, any color name you can use, color code, BG color, background, height, width, even you can apply TR level, means table row level also we can apply, table data level also we can apply, but border only table level, border color only table level, BG color table level as well as cell level, background table level as well as cell level, height, width table level, cell level, table row level also, width same, align, V align, just now I shown to you already, align working with the call span, V align working with the row span, and rules available, rows, columns I shown to you already, cell spacing, spacing between cells, cell padding, the distance between text and edge of the cell, row span, call span, row working based on columns, column working based on rows. So this is complete total table tag related attributes. Here T header, T footer, T body, like this other options also available. In upcoming videos more in depth we can see related to this. Thank you for watching my videos. Catch me for more videos youtube.com/NareshIT.